Give me a few minutes and I'll show you how to create this text glitch effect in Movavi. Let's go. To begin, let's open up a new project, and with the Import tab selected, let's choose Backgrounds. Next, we'll scroll through these backgrounds, and when we find white, let's grab it and drop it right into the timeline. Okay, now that we've got that background in the timeline, let's quickly change this white to a green screen color. So to do this, we'll click on Tools, then open up Color Adjustments, and navigate to the Manual Adjustments. From here, we'll simply grab the Tint slider bar and drag it all the way over to the right, leaving us with this perfect bright green screen color. Okay, now let's lay some text onto this green screen. To do this, we'll of course need to jump over and select the titles icon. And under Basic, let's find Simple Text and pull that down into the title track right above our green background. Okay, now that we've added this title, we'll want to head up to the clip editing window and insert whatever text we'd like to have appearing glitchy in our video. Next, we can pick out a font that looks right for our project and resize the text as desired. Once we have our text just the way we like it in our preview window, let's head over and click the snapshot icon to save a perfect copy. Let's find that saved snapshot file and bring that right back into the media bin, along with a little footage and a glitchy sound effect. Now, this footage I downloaded for free from Pexels.com, and this glitch sound effect from YouTube. I'll leave links to both of these in the video description below. Okay, I'm going to freshen up the timeline real quick by discarding these leftovers. We won't need these anymore. Now we can bring down our footage and drop that into the main video track. Next, let's quickly insert an additional video track by clicking the track icon and selecting Add Video Track. Then with this new track added above, let's grab our text snapshot from the media bin and drop it right above our footage like this. While our snapshot is still highlighted, let's go over to the Tools icon and open up Chroma Key. Now using the color picker, we can click on the green background and it will be completely removed, perfectly revealing our underlying footage. By the way, if you're not happy with the text placement, by coming up here and clicking on Overlay, you can now easily resize the text using the adjustment points, and also grab and move it around to your liking. So with our text ready to go, let's grab our glitch sound effect from the media bin and set that in the audio track just below our video clips. Okay, now the best part. We're going to split our footage a few times and give it that glitchy look. Now I'm going to zoom in a little more so we can see this even better. What I like to do is take a quick look at the audio track, and where I see large changes in the waveforms, like here and right here, I'll go ahead and split the text clip at those moments, and again, once more at the end of the glitch sound effect. So to do this, we'll grab the playhead and move into position, then right-click on the text and select Split, and we'll continue this same process to finish up the rest. Now that we have our text broken up into a few sections, we can begin adding filters. There's a lot of fun filters that would work for this effect, but for now, I'll just show you the ones that I like to use. So let's head up to the Filters icon, and under the Noise tab, let's grab Static High and drop that right onto our first section. Now for the second section, let's click on the Adjustments tab and use this Horizontal Flip Filter. By the way, we can combine multiple filters to the same clip, so let's try adding another one to the same section. So let's go to the Artistic tab and scroll down until we find Twirl, and then drop that on our clip. Now this is a really big swirling motion, and I find that with this effect, sometimes less is more. So by clicking this little star icon on our clip, we can get right to the Applied Effects window and easily reduce the swirling effect of this particular filter. I think 10% looks pretty good. Now for our third and final section, let's go back to the Noise tab and grab the Broken Lens filter and bring that right down to finish out our glitch. Now this particular filter can also be adjusted. So again, we can click the little star icon to find our applied effects, and I really like the look of this one. So let's crank it all the way up to 100. Now watch it through and adjust to your liking, and you'll have a really cool looking text glitch effect.